as a modern science, and you have studied all modern medical science, and there is a one thing in a Veda, Rajo Dharm Ritu Charya. So there are some practices Vedic women used to do. पहले दिन सर नहीं धोना है. There the some foods are restricted. So how you as a doctor, have you ever practiced it and you think that this is all in the modern time is useless, and washing head every day is permissible in the periods time, and as you said पानी में जाने के बाद blood कम हो जाता है, and putting some restriction, बहुत खट्टा ठंडा खाने से cramps होते हैं. Do you agree or what do you say?
To be very honest, I'm not disregarding their practice, and the only reason that I do not accept it because I do not have any evidence, any scientific evidence. मैं scientific भी नहीं बोल रही, any evidence. Why is it beneficial? Like, it's all theory, but I do believe that during your period time you should nourish your body at least with iron rich food, because you're losing blood, आपका hemoglobin drop होता है. So the best thing you can do for your body is iron rich foods खाइए, so that at least you can maintain it out. Because you also know कि इतनी सारी females हैं, everyone comes with low hemoglobin, anemia. I think at least every other woman is suffering from anemia. So what we can do is we can supplement our body with good iron rich foods. That is one thing I believe in. And washing hair and all, I don't know if it is if like it's acceptable in today's time, because हमारा scenario and scenes ही बहुत ज़्यादा change हो गए आज के time पे, and it can also because of the comfort that we are living in. Might be that because पहले के living environments बहुत ज़्यादा different थे. In today's world, the living environment is very, very different. So it's like comparing apples to oranges. Like, for me, it's like comparing apples to oranges.